Schools are seeing a rise in students' mental health needs, but they aren't set up to keep up. Experts say there should be one school counselor for every 250 students. But on average, Minnesota schools have one counselor for every 582 kids. Valley News Team's education reporter Veronica Marshall looks into some of our local numbers and explains why there's such a shortage. Veronica?
Andrea, from career advice to tricky social situations to traumatic events or mental health issues, school counselors are meant to develop relationships with all students. But when they're forced to work with bigger populations, some of those connections and services are sacrificed.
They are seeing more and more students who have additional needs beyond those just regular developmental needs in terms of those soft skills and workplace skills.
One service that is impacted when school counselors are overburdened is addressing students' mental health needs. Experts say early interventions are critical to supporting students' social and emotional needs. But without enough counselors, those problems may go undetected. Counselors may also have to cut back on their time in the classroom, depriving students of lessons like conflict resolution and communication that can develop skills businesses are looking for.
The business community and our communities as a whole are looking for those types of skills from students. And we hear so much that they're not able to find employees or folks who have the types of skills that they need to be ready to go into a position or a career.
And the problem is being felt here in our area. A Moorhead teacher I spoke with says the current student to counselor ratio is abysmal. Here in Moorhead Public Schools, the school that came the closest to reaching the 250 to 1 ratio is Moorhead High School, which has about 463 students per counselor. After that, the numbers keep going up. Dorothy Dodds has the highest number of students per counselor in the district, with one counselor for 727 students. There is a new opportunity for Minnesota's school counselor situation to improve. Governor Walz's new budget invests $17 million for school safety measures, which can be used to add more school counselors. Andrea?
All right. Thank you, Veronica. This issue isn't only in Minnesota. According to the U.S. Department of Education, only 3 states have the right ratio of counselors to students, and they are Montana, New Hampshire, and Vermont. The average ratio across the country is 460 to 1.